Alright, so I came down here to do some laundry this morning. Water's just sitting in here. And I went to try to put this thing on like a spin cycle to see if it would suck the water out and spin. But it's doing that no matter where I put this thing. It's like it's making a buzzing noise. Like maybe something's wore out in here, it's not making contact or something. Oh. Well, that's weird. Okay, well, that's how you fix that. Wait, nope. It's still not sounding right. Alright. Let's see if we can take this thing apart and see if there's a problem. Let's see if we can hear it more clearly with the cover off like that. So the humming, alright, it is coming from like the motor or something. See how burnt that is? I wonder if that's the problem. Huh. Let me try to straight wire this thing and then try it again. Alright, this motor is warm. I don't know why it would be getting that warm, but it's definitely warm. And I haven't even been running it. We just been clicking the switch on and off, seeing if the thing will work. So maybe the pump's like jammed up or something. Almost. Alright, that's why you never put your washing machine on like your main floor level, because you can't work on it like that. And then you have to worry, what if that line breaks? Then you're gonna have some serious damage to repair. But it's nice to have it on the bottom floor because I can just sweep this right out the garage door. Let's see if this motor will spin without, maybe this pump is completely like frozen up. Alright. Alright, look at that. That's it's the pump. The pump's frozen up because it's working now. Alright, so now I know what part to go buy at the store. Alright, so I pulled this pump off. Look at that. Looks like there's like a sock in there. That thing is in there. Yeah, that thing is wound up so tight in there. It's a nice simple design. I'm going to fix this while I'm at it since this connector's burned. I don't want this switch to fail. Alright, that's a good waterproof connection there with that grease on it. Well, hope it works. Alright, just completed its cycle and it worked fine.